The 2026 Jeep Renegade presents itself as a refined evolution of Jeep's compact SUV lineup, combining urban drivability with off-road versatility. Retaining the brand's distinctive design philosophy, the vehicle exhibits a robust yet modern aesthetic, featuring the classic 7-slot grille, sculpted lines, and a commanding stance. Jeep has also paid particular attention to aerodynamics and material enhancements, ensuring both efficiency and durability. The interior design reflects a balance between practicality and comfort, integrating high-quality materials, improved ergonomics, and an intuitive infotainment system designed to enhance the driving experience. From a performance standpoint, the 2026 Renegade offers a range of powertrain options, with a focus on both fuel efficiency and dynamic capability. The introduction of hybrid or fully electric variants aligns with contemporary automotive trends toward sustainability, while traditional internal combustion engine options continue to provide robust performance for enthusiasts who value conventional powertrains. Advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision mitigation systems, further reinforce Jeep's commitment to integrating technology with user-centered design. While comprehensive consumer reviews and long-term performance assessments are yet to emerge, initial impressions suggest that the 2026 Renegade will appeal to both urban commuters and adventure seekers alike. Jeep has strategically positioned this model as an entry point into its lineup, appealing to a demographic that values both everyday usability and rugged capability. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, the Renegade's adaptation of electrification and smart technology will likely play a crucial role in its long-term viability.